Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in math, we have completed with block 22, isn't it, children? So, let's start with block 23, which is time on clock. Okay, you know the clock, the watch, isn't it, children? And you know about two hands. One is hour hand and minutes hand, isn't it? So, today we will learn about the seconds hand also. Okay, so in this, our first topic is convert time. Okay, that is minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes. Okay, first let us see the clock, children. So this is your clock, isn't it, children? So for this you have three hands. Yes, one is the shorter hand, one is the longer hand. So shorter hand gives us about the hours and longer hands gives us about the minutes. And how do you find the minutes? It's like the phi table. If the longer hand is on 6, then it is 5 6 are 30. That means 30 minutes, isn't it? If the longer hand is on 8, 5 8s are 40. So 40 minutes, isn't it? Ours hands will be the normal one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Whichever number it is pointing, you will read it same. But for minutes hand, it will be based on the phi table, isn't it? If the longer hand is on the 2, 5 2s are 10, that means 10 minutes. Then what you will write? Shorter hand is on 4, we'll put two dots, and longer hand is on 2, that is 5 2s are 10. So 4 hours 10 minutes, isn't it, children? In this way you will write, isn't it? So if you calculate, so 1 will be 5, 2 will be 10, 3 will be 15, 4 will be 20, 5 will be 25, 6 will be 30, yes, 7 will be 35, 8 will be 40, 9 will be 45, 10 will be 50, 11 will be 55, isn't it? And here again after 55, when you reach 12, it becomes 0 again. Then where are the other numbers, children? 5 you have, 10 you have, 15 you have. Yes, 10. So these lines can you see in between? So the first one is your first minute. Second one is your second minute. Third one is your third minute. Fourth one is your fourth minute. And here you will get 5 minutes. Okay, again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, on 2 it is 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. On 3 you have 15. Isn't it? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So on 4 you have 20. In that way we get. Okay. And phi table, using the phi table is to remember the things, children, so that you don't get wrong. Okay. In the same way, the seconds hand also. Okay. Shorthand, long hand, and the seconds hand will be moving per second. Tick, 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 isn't it? Yes. So if that longer hand is pointing to, that seconds hand is pointing to 2, that means they are 10 seconds, isn't it? If it is on 6, it is 30 seconds. If it is for 9, if it is pointing to 9, that means 45 seconds. So in that way, so minutes and seconds hand are similar. Yes, but the second hand moves very fast, showing us only the second. 1, 2, 3. This is your seconds. And when these seconds count to 60 seconds, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, if you count till 60, then it becomes 1 minute. That means when the seconds hand move one complete round, then the minutes hand will be moving by from 1 minute to other minute. For example, the seconds hand started on 12 and the minutes hand was on 1. Yes, and the second has continued and completed one round, then it will move to this line in between. After one, the small line will be there, no, that one. Again, if it completes one more round, then the minutes hand will be moving here on the next line. Okay, children, that means we can say that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, as 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, isn't it? In the same way, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Why? Because from 12, then again the second hand reach to 12, then that becomes 60 seconds, because you have 60 lines here, isn't it? 60 seconds. And for every one round of seconds hand, the minutes hand will be moving by 1, which means 1 minute. Okay, it will be pointing in between the lines also. Okay children, you understood about the clock. Now let's convert the time. So how many seconds have passed? Now before converting the time, let's answer this question children. How many seconds have passed when the second hand is at the following numbers? So the second hand is pointing to some numbers. We have to tell how many seconds have passed. Okay, 4. So this is a clock, and at 4 the second hand is pointing. That means it is 4 means 5 fours are 20, isn't it? So 20 seconds. Okay, next you have 10. It is pointing to 10, not 10 seconds. It is telling the seconds hand is pointing to 10. So 5 tens are 50. That means it is 50 seconds. Okay, to write this, it will be easy if you remember the 5 table. Okay, now next 1, it is pointing to 1. 5 ones are 5. That means how many seconds? 5 seconds. Okay children, in this way you need to calculate and write the seconds for the needle pointing to the numbers in the clock. Okay, now let's convert the time. Convert to seconds. So here minutes are given, we have to convert into seconds. So here it is a combination of minutes and seconds. It is C, 2 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, so here you need to convert the minutes into seconds. Seconds are already in seconds, so you need not to convert them. So let's separate the minutes and seconds first. Okay, 2 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We already know, isn't it children, that you have to mention 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then you have to separate 2 minutes plus 45 seconds. 45 seconds are already in seconds. We need not to convert. But this 2 minutes you need to convert, isn't it? So to convert, you have to multiply with 60. We are multiplying here. Why? Minutes is bigger and seconds is the smallest unit of time. Okay, hours is the biggest unit. Minutes is the middle unit, you can say. Seconds is the smallest unit. So we need to multiply. If you are converting seconds to minutes, then you need to divide. Okay, here minutes to seconds, that's why we are multiplying with this 2 into 60 seconds plus 45. 2 into 60, 2 60s are 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. That means 120 seconds plus 45 seconds. Now both are in seconds. 120 seconds, 45 seconds. So both are in the same units. You can directly add them. That becomes 165 seconds. Okay, that means therefore 2 minutes 45 seconds is equal to 165 seconds. Okay children, so in this way you have to convert the minutes to seconds. If they have given only minutes, only multiply with 60, then you will directly get the seconds. Okay, let's see the next sum. So here it is minutes, 15 minutes. So 15 into 60 is equal to your answer. Okay, so before starting, what we have to write, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now 50 in 15 minutes, 50 into seconds. So 0 you will write it down children. 6 5s are 30. See, this 0 you will write it down. 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 30, no? So this 0 you will write it down, and this one you will carry up here on 1. Okay, now you have to multiply with this. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So 900 seconds. Okay, that means 15 minutes is equal to 900 seconds. So in this way you need to convert the time children. Now let's see the vice versa. That is, from minutes to seconds we have done, no? From seconds to minutes. Convert to minutes. 7,200 seconds you have. 7,200 seconds. So you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, isn't it? Here, seconds you are converting into minutes. That means you need to do the division with 60. So 7,200 seconds divided by 60. Now in dividend and divisor, in the numerator and denominator, you can call anything, children. So in ones place you have 0. So you can directly cancel the 0. Now check whether the 720 will be divisible by 6 or not. How you can do? Here you can do with the actual division, like 6 divided by 720, then also it is correct. Or you can do the mental division like this: 6 ones are 6, it becomes, and 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. Only take the first digit, children. 7. 6 twos are 12, it is bigger number, so I am taking 6 ones are 6. So 7 minus 6 becomes 1. So that 1 you will write it here. Okay, that became 12, isn't it? This is mental division, you can say, children. 12. In 6 table you have 12, isn't it? So you will write 6 twos are 12. Then you will get 0. But one more 0 here, it is left out, no? This 0 you will carry up like this. Or you can do the division like this. You will get the same one. Okay. So 6 ones are 6 minus 1, 2. 12 it became, 6 twos are 12. That becomes 0. And this 0 you are placing up like this. In the same way here, from here you have placed here. Okay, 120. That means 7,200 seconds is equal to 120 minutes. Okay, children. So in this way you need to write it, find it. Okay. So finally what you will write, therefore 7,200 seconds is equal to 120 minutes. Okay. Let me see the next one. 5,602 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 5,602 seconds, which should be divided by 60. Now here, children, if you see, you don't have 0 here. Yes, we don't know. And also, so we can't cancel here. Zeros you can't cancel. So if you do the division, children, you can do the division. You all know how to do the division, isn't it? So you can do the division here in your problem, or you can do it in your rough columns also. Okay. And if you divide, you will get 93 minutes 22 seconds. Okay. 93 will be your quotient, which is minutes, and 22 will be your remainder, which becomes seconds. Okay, children? Yes. So finally what you will write, 5,602 seconds is equal to 93 minutes 22 seconds. Okay. So in this way you have to do some sums, children. There are few more in your daily schedule. Copy it down in your classroom book. Okay. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 3, page number 35 and 36. In 35 you have S1, time to the second, and in page number 36 you have S2, convert time. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.